Hey, welcome back to the Fit5 channel. So what we have here today is some Keychain EDC gear from Wuben. This is their G2 and their G3. So we'll go ahead and we'll start with the G2. So this is their keychain flashlight. And so of course this is going to be really thin and compact. In fact, we compare this to a key fob. You'll see it's a bit thinner and smaller than your standard key fob. And so the way that they've placed the lens, it actually lets them use a really large lens on a really thin flashlight. So that was well thought out really well there. The thing I like about it is how easily you can disconnect this from your keychain. So by twisting this, it comes right off. And also I really like that they included a magnet in the tail of the flashlight. And so if you're working on your car or wherever else, it's really convenient to be able to attach it to a metallic surface. All right, so this flashlight has a max output of 500 lumens. And so that's pretty good for a flashlight of this size, for being a keychain flashlight and being thin. It should be more than enough than what you'd be using a flashlight for that's on your keychain. Also, I like that it has the USB-C charging port. That's nice because that cable is used quite often. And of course it comes with that charging cable. All right, so another thing that it comes with that I like is it has this plastic pocket clip that can be attached onto the back here. And so this actually opens up a lot of opportunities with the flashlight. Also, you can basically attach this to your backpack, to other packs. If you're into your pocket to hold your keys, a bunch of different things. But basically with them including this pocket clip, it opens up a bunch of different opportunities. So I like that they included that. And I like that they made it where it can be easily attached or detached. That's a very nice addition there. All right, so this flashlight costs $23 on their website or $30 on Amazon. I'll include links to both. But if you buy this from their website, I also have a 20% off coupon code that they sent me. And so that is FSG220. And so if you're interested in this flashlight, be sure to take advantage of that coupon code. I'm not sure how long it'll last. They actually didn't say. And also, it does come with some different colors. And so they sent me a blue one and a black one. And they also have a green one available. It's kind of a teal color. So anyways, if you're interested in that, be sure to go check that out. All right, and then the G3. This is an unboxing knife. And so it came with, this kit comes with two of them. And the one on the left, this is aluminum. It's got aluminum kind of like body. And this one is a stainless steel, and it has some kind of like etchings on it. All right, so it has a magnetic cap right here, and that covers basically this little chisel kind of a blade. And so this works really well for opening boxes, which is actually what's intended for. Cutting tape, opening boxes, that kind of thing. It does a nice cut into it. So especially right here, the tip's nice and sharp. All right, and then also, if you unscrew the back part here, which would be disconnecting it from your keychain, it also has a built-in little pin. And so it's not going to be the most convenient pin to write with, of course. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen an EDC pin this small. If you ever have, let me know. I'm kind of curious if you've seen a smaller one. But basically, you could use this for, of course, like if it'd be like signing for a box or whatever. This wouldn't be your go-to pin with it being as small as this is. But it does also come with some replacement cartridges. And so it has 5 of these here. And with them being as small as they are, of course, there's a good chance that you'll be going through the cartridge pretty quickly, if you use this, very often. All right, so this costs $24. Actually, this particular kit costs $24. They have some different options. They have like 2 stainless steel or 2 aluminum, or like this kit, you have the stainless steel and the aluminum together. And so this one costs $24 on Amazon. On their website. And the coupon code will work for this too. Again, that's FSG220. And so that'll get you 20% off of either one of these items. And so let me know what you think about that, about this little unboxing knife, if that's something you would use or carry. And if you're interested, be sure to check that out. I'll include a link in the description of the video. And don't forget to take advantage of that 20% off coupon code. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.